different multicolored lights. When you first take out the globe from the package, you're going to go ahead and wrap it. I don't have the package in front of me, but it was fully secured in a styrofoam mold. So when I took it out, it was packaged very nicely. Nothing was damaged. And what you're going to do is plug it in. So I've already plugged in the product itself. So this is the stand, and then this is the globe. And it took me a little bit to try to figure out how to go ahead and balance it. So what the instruction says is go ahead and put the globe like this, and you're gonna actually keep your finger on the top of the globe. And by keeping your finger on the top of the globe, that's about the width that it should be as far as away from the actual stand. And then you're gonna slowly take your finger out. So you can see from there, now the actual globe is floating. Now, if you wanted to stop it from spinning, you're just going to go ahead and hold it. But you just got to be careful, because if you do disturb the width of the globe from the top, you could cause it to connect to the top of the stand. I think it's kind of neat if it does move slightly, so that way it's turning on its own. So it is quite nice. Overall, I really do like this product. It's not very big. You can see this is the, oops. So you can see if you hit it, it'll go ahead and magnetize on the top, but it's not very big. It's about the height of my hand, so it doesn't take up that much space, and you can see it's quite thin. So if you wanted to put it in the corner, it's not going to take up a lot of space. My intention is to actually have it on my desk at work, just because I think it's a cool novelty item. So I would highly recommend. It's kind of neat with the lights, but the coolest part is the floating component.